What's up guys, welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. We just did a test light, little review and demo real quick. So far I love it. And today we are working on Toyota, what is this, Toyota Corolla. It's a manual transmission, and when you put a key inside, you press the clutch pedal, you put a key and you start and nothing happens. So we're just gonna go through some testing just to make sure that it's starter versus a little clutch pedal. What's it called? The pedal switch. Yes, clutch switch. So make sure that the little switch engages, it's not broken. Sometimes that happens. So we're gonna go step by step how to do that. So first and foremost, you're gonna need a test light. You're gonna need a 12-volt test light, something like this.
And you put on ground.
So you're gonna put it on ground.
Yes, and you disconnect on starter. This is solenoid.
Hold on. Let me just get closer.
You see, that's a solenoid.
Hold on, let me just get closer. Okay, go.
That's a solenoid push like this and take out.
That's a starter.
Yeah, that's a for starter for solenoid wires.
Okay. So if your test light tip is too big,
no, go inside. Don't worry. That's a
so he's gonna grab a piece of wire, wrap it around.
You need to put it a little bit tape.
Alright, so that stays in place.
Then you connect on a connection. See? That's a we connect.
Okay, so the test light is connected.
Yes, now I push the clutch. This red light out, that switch. Okay. I pull the clutch. We give the connection on
so he's gonna push the clutch all the way and then try to start it, and then we're gonna see if the light is on.
Light and work.
Yeah, and you can hear it beeping too.
Work.
Yeah.
Ignition switch is okay.
Not ignition, the clutch switch.
Ignition switch is okay.
The clutch switch.
Clutch switch, yes.
That means that starter is, yeah, ignition and clutch.
Now we know that starter no good.
So it's an easy test.